Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist, the author of many books on cartooning, figure drawing, anime, and lots of other stuff. So glad you're here to join me today. I'm doing what I'm calling a new series called Super Hints, where I give you the real nitty-gritty of how to draw some things rather than just the overall look. So the overall look's great, and now we'll dig in and find some more hints. Someone asked me recently, how do you draw a realistic human nose? So let's start. We're going to start off with just draw the eyes and the nose for this, maybe the mouth too. We'll give it the guidelines, which are like any guidelines, vertical guideline, and eye line. Let's start with the eyes, so that gives us the placement of the nose instead of starting with the nose. All right, so let's just start just nice and easy. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just get the basic position of the eyes like this. Now we want them both about the same distance from the guideline, so I'm going to make this a little further away. So they're basically about the same distance and about the same length. Let's just sketch in the eyeball, and the eyeball is slightly close to the bridge of the nose. And we'll just put a little bit of an eyebrow here and bring this down just to get set up. Nothing major. We'll also set this up. We'll finish up in a minute. But first, from the eyebrow down to about here. It can be a longer nose, a shorter nose. Bridge of the nose comes here. And the basic nose comes at an angle. This is the tip of the nose right here. And then there's an angle on both sides. And that's where the nostrils are. There's a ball right here. And here is where the bone is. Comes down, some cartilage. And bring that nostril down. And we'll bring the mouth here. All right, let's bring this up higher, make it a little bit taller, and we'll work on the nose in a second. We'll bring this eyebrow around. Now, it works really nicely to really focus on one side more than the other. So I'm going to add a little shadow over here, a shadow off the side of the nose here, and a little more here. Matter of fact, this ball of the nose will be defined, and the nostril can really fall into shadow, like that. And this one more defined. A little bit, but not too much going on. And let's add a crease here, a little more shadow right here. And same thing here. And let's use a slightly thickened upper lip. A little shadow this way. I'll put a little shadow under the eyelid. A little dent right here, indentation. And there is the shadow. Also put a shadow here on the upper lip. There is a realistic human nose. I hope that was helpful, and that you subscribe and watch my videos every week. I look forward to you being here. Please leave a comment. I'd like to answer as many as I can. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.